Hello, I'm Bill Spire. Go ahead.
And I'm Darlene Spire. We just recently purchased a Mavic drone, which we intend to use to create another dimension to the travel videos we create, aerial photography.
Many of you have asked about how the drone works, so we hope this video will be of interest to you and answer some of the questions. This is the case where that I carry the drone and its accessories in. Believe it or not, this is the drone. I know it doesn't look like a drone right now, but I'll show you later on how it does look like a drone. This is the remote on the back side here, right here. That's the remote, and this is the viewing screen to tell me where the drone is. These are the two knobs that I guide the drone with. The drone, after it takes off, it's, within 2 or 3 minutes, it's completely out of sight. You can't see it. So I have to rely on the camera showing me a video picture of what's ahead of the drone. And we do this on this screen. So now we'll get back to the drone itself. The drone unfolds like so. And the propellers are straightened out. And so that's what the drone looks like. This is a cover for the camera, and I take that cover off, and the camera's exposed. This is the camera that not only takes videos and still shots, but it also projects a video picture on the screen that shows me where the drone is going while I'm guiding it. This is the battery that comes off very easily. Anyway, this is a battery. The drone can fly 30 minutes on one charge of battery. And I have 3 other ones in here, so I can fly a total of 2 hours. The drone can, like I said, can fly 4.7 miles away. It automatically calculates the amount of time it needs to go back to its base and starts back on its own if I don't send it back. And it'll land without me controlling it. After I push a button that says go home, it will fly back all by itself and land itself, practically within 2 or 3 inches of the place it took off. So it's a Star Wars piece of equipment, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Anyway, we'll show you how it flies. Okay, here we are outside, and the drone is ready to go, and I'll be turning it on in just a minute. Okay, here we are, ready to go. And I'll turn it over. You see it, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 50 feet and have no idea where it is, or I can't see it. I can only see it on here, see what it's seeing. And so I'm going to tell we're finished flying now. I've taken some pictures. I'm going to tell the remote for the drone to come home. And it gave me an audio report that it's coming home. And Darlene's probably standing right in the way of it.